So now you're being recorded.
Okay.
So hello, Dad. It's Father's Day 2020.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome. Happy Father's Day.
Thank you.
And
Fixing you a bait here
yeah,
to go bass fishing with.
yeah, because I'm about to take a trip to Mississippi, and you're getting me all set up.
It's a killer bait.
What kind of bait is it?
It's a creature bait.
And what are you doing to it?
Modifying it so the legs will shake. See how the legs shake?
Yeah. So it wasn't good just out of the bag?
No, it wasn't good out of the bag. Then the tail will shake. Bass will eat it up.
You think so?
I know so.
So what am I? What's going to happen with Fred? I'm going to give him the
You're
bait.
going to give him the one that's not been modified.
And then I'm not going to tell him that I've got the modified
Oh, no,
one.
Don't you tell him nothing. Don't tell him nothing. Just like, you're looking at it crazy. Ain't nothing. They're all the same.
And then we're going to see if I can outfish him.
Then you're going to see if you can outfish him. What you probably will.
You think so?
Oh, yeah. He's a good fisherman, though.
Well, I've got some tricks up my sleeve.
Yeah, you do. You got some tricks up your sleeve, and I think we're going to put it to him this time. Have y'all ever fished against each other?
Nope. I've never had a fishing pole.
Okay.
But you've given me a fishing pole,
a tackle
box,
baits,
and a modified bait.
and a modified bait. And you are going to, if there's any fish there, you're going to catch them.
You know, I've seen some pictures of those lakes, and it's like lily pads all over the top of the surface of the lake.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Well, if they are, what you want to do is just kind of cast this over those lily pads and just let it...
Is that hook sticking out of that bait, though? Do I need an embedded hook so it doesn't get hung up?
I can embed it for you.
I might need an embedded one so it doesn't, because I'm not that good of a fisherman and I don't want to get it all hung up all the time. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I know what you mean. I'll hook it weedless.
What does that mean?
Well, I'll show you in a minute.
That means the hook's going to be embedded in there?
The hook's going to be embedded.
I think that's what I'm going to need.
If I can get this thing in the hole.
Because the other day we took this fishing pole down to the dock where we were at our house, and I hung it up in a branch, and I lost my bait.
Oh, well, what kind of bait did you have?
Just a cheap bait that Fred gave me. But you know what? I did go online and I bought two baits. They were like $14 a piece, or I don't know, $10 a piece or something.
What kind of bait?
I don't know, some kind of
Crankbait?
some kind of frog or something. And I don't want to lose a bait like that.
No. Well,
I wish I would have brought it to show you, but I forgot.
I have got... Mother's probably going to get it. Well, I'll tell you, it's terrible when you're blind. You can't see nothing.
Is it hard to get it hooked? Lucy, be quiet. Lucy's back there chasing those lizards. Oh, she brought Lucy some water.
It's hot out here.
Why don't you all have a little dog?
You know, we were thinking of it.
You should get a little dog. I mean, you don't go a lot of places where you have to leave it and board it. And if you ever did, I could take care of it for you.
I'm thinking about getting
It would keep you it'd keep you busy.
Oh, I know it.
And the little beagles are sweet as they can be. I think you ought to get a little beagle.
I want to get one like Joe's. Blackmouth cur.
That's too much to handle. Get a small dog.
I want something, if somebody breaks in my house, and lead them up.
Well, you know, a little beagle will bark. You'll get a warning enough to get your gun out.
I want to let me sound asleep.
A beagle would wake you up.
Earl.
Yeah.
Knock it down for her.
Oh no, I don't want my lizard hurt.
Oh,
They're on
she'll
the
eat, she'll eat your lizards up.
They're on the outside.
Fred knocks them down and lets her get them.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah,
So what do you think about all this
they're nice.
rioting and
They're nice.
Nancy Pelosi?
Yes, they are. They're nice.
You know what I think?
You want
What?
some water? Hey, you want water,
I think
Lucy? You want some
it's
water?
a
Come here,
war
come here.
between
You want some water?
socialism
You want
and
water?
capitalism.
Water? Come on, take it.
Yeah.
Drink.
And all these white girls that's marching with the blacks, they just want, they don't know what.
All right, Dad. So what's going on over there now?
Okay. Okay, I didn't particularly make, you know what I could do?
Knock that lizard down so Lucy will be quiet.
No, honey. There's no way. Well, you know what? I couldn't knock it down.
Oh, no.
But
Just-
it's on the outside.
Well, just knock the screen so the lizard will fall.
They don't-
I forgot to make this one weedless. I'll make it weedless.
They on the outside, Lucy.
She goes nuts over those lizards.
Oh, she does. She remembers this patio too as having lizards. She remembers. She's a smart little dog.
All right, Dad. So you need to tell me how I need to hold the reel. You know, which
We're going to go out, as soon as I get this baited, we'll go out and do that.
which side I'm supposed to, turn, which hand I'm supposed to hold the rod in.
Yeah, we're going to do that.
You gonna practice?
Yep. Just in a second. As soon as I get this bait fixed.
Okay.
Now, when I'm out fishing, if something happens to my bait, it's going to take a long time to rebait my rod, isn't it?
Yeah. But I'm going to show you how to do it. Fred knows how to do it, don't he?
Yeah, but I don't want him doing it for me.
Okay. I'll
Okay.
show you how to do it.
I want to do it myself.
As soon as I get this fixed. I got to fix this weedless for you. Because you casting around lily pads, you don't want to get hung up. You want it just to scoot across them.
Have you been fishing on your little boat here lately?
Not lately.
How come? That's a cute little boat.
Been too hot.
Oh, it is hot.
Too hot. I'm gonna wait till September, October. Then I'm gonna spec fish.
Why do you like to spec fish?
I just like it. I've fished enough bass fishing. I just,
You prefer to spec fish?
I love spec fishing.
You do?
Yep.
More than bass fishing?
Oh, Lord.
Why? Is it more exciting?
Yep.
The
It is.
spec hit more than the bass do?
Yeah. Okay, let me get this fixed up for you, weedless.
Go get some water. Lucy, go get some water. Go get water.
Okay, now the key is to keep that real still. Don't give it a lot of shake. You know, you sit down there if you want to. And
No, I'm fine.
Kind of maybe
I'm
you
fine.
could use your leg as a tripod.
You watch me.
All right.
Hold it up to about
So,
that thing.
hey, tell Mom what you're doing on the camera.
Okay, okay, you pull the bait up to about a foot of the tip. Then you get your finger, put your finger, that line like that.
Yeah. that that's orange? That won't show up in a lake?
No, it's fish don't.
Is that braided?
No, it's not braided. That's.
Do you like braided line? Why not?
Well, it's just been on there a long time.
Yeah.
I'm gonna let you have
Let me try. Should I put some new line on it?
it. Yep.
How come I shouldn't put new line on it if it's been on there a long time?
It's only been on there for 6 months. So you never rounded up to where you're supposed to round up.
Alright, like that. Flip the bail over. Hold it like that. Throw it out.
Well, you got it. And close it.
Close the bail. Now see this, so I'm supposed to do it, hold it like this. Whoops. And let it out a little bit. Ah. Close that. Let it up like that. Hold my line. Flip the bail. It does
See,
stick.
you'll do it better from the doing it from the right.
It's sticky.
It is sticky.
Yeah, it's not real smooth.
Can we put some new line on it?
Yeah, it needs new line on it. Is that what it is? It's the line?
I don't know. It's not. It's in the line. Guides you.
Cast it one more time and see. How you doing there, Mom?
Don't ask me.
Are we in the frame?
Yeah.
Maybe you just need to work the kinks out of it.
Yeah, you do. But I can put some new line on it for you. That's about as far as you'll cast it anyway. Cast it from
That direction? Yeah. Okay. Like this.
give it a good little whip. Oh yeah. I'll be glad to put some new line on it.
Well, do you think it needs it? That's fine like it is. Do I reel it in too short?
I'm interested to see how this one comes out. You'll have to. I know one time I was a little bit shaded, but I got
Why
it
don't you
on.
walk over there with him for a second so I can get you in the video just for a
You know
second?
what, honey? I think
Honey,
you
I-
like that
I'm-
other reel, rod reel better.
You do?
Yeah.
Well, let's look at it. Let's cast it and see how it does.
Okay.
All right,